Hi students, the chapter 3 Mental Arithmetic. After studying this chapter, you can and explain the process of estimation and approximation to sum of two 5-digit numbers to nearest 10,000 place, the difference of 5 digits numbers to nearest 10,000 place, and product of two numbers to nearest 10,000 place, and last is estimate the quotient of two numbers. First, define estimation and approximation. Approximated or approximation means a value or quantity that is nearer but not to exact correct. Estimations means a rough calculations the value of numbers of a quantity are exactly or there. Yes. In these examples are there to almost the same exact numbers but not exact numbers. There are approximated numbers. The approximate numbers is roughly calculated to approximate calculation is called as estimation. Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4 is a weak number. Weak number ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ to round off 83 to the nearest tens place. Round off 83 the nearest tens place. 83 means tens place means you need tens. 83 ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Yes. 80 to 84 is weak numbers. 85 to 90 is a strong numbers. Okay. 83 is 85 below it is 83, it is a weak numbers. Agagi 18. The rounding of the nearest tens place is 18. Okay. Next example 37. The rounding of nearest tens place. You need tens place. 37 is 30. Tens place 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39 and 40. 37 is 35 in the strong number start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 35 up 40 ಗೆ. 35 means 35 after is 37 strong number is 37 is the nearest number is 40. The nearest tens place, the rounding of nearest tens place of 37 is 40. Next example to nearest 100 place. Example 100 place. Example is 368. Unit tens 100. Total 100 place. Okay. 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390 and 400. Okay. 368, 60 and 8. Yes. In 300 to between 400. 368. Okay. 350 after ಇದೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 350 after the nearest number is 400. Next is 100 ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1000. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 35,756. 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 100, 1000 ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. 3 ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 5756. ಓಕೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 36,000. ಯಾಕೆ 756. ಓಕೆ. 36,756ಗೆ ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 36,000. Next is the nearest estimations to given the number nearest 10,000 place. 10, 1000 place. For example, 16,382. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Total nearest value. 10,000 means 1000 jump. 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000 up to 20,000. Okay, 1000 jump. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು 16,382. Okay, the nearest value is 16,382. 20,000. 20,000. Next, exercise 3.1, rounding off each of the following numbers to nearest 1000 place. You need tens, 100, 1000. Total 1000 place. 7,547. The nearest value is 8,000. Next, 3,469 is 3,000. Next, 15,238 is 15,000. 238 below. 32,658 is 33,000. 658 is 55 after is 33,000. Next, rounding off and each of the following to nearest 10,000 place. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Total 26,674. 26,000 is 25,000 after is 26,000 is 30,000. Next, 32,464 is 30,000. Next, 46,379 50,000. Next, 53,668 is also 50,000. Next, estimate the sum of the following in rounding off to nearest 1000 place. Next, the 42,125 is the rounded off nearest 1000 place is 42,125. The nearest place is 42,000 place. Next, 35,637 is the nearest of the 1000 places. 36,000. Yes. Add ಮಾಡಿ 40. Add this number 42,000 plus 36,000. Okay. Add this number 087 78,000. Estimate the sum of the nearest actual numbers. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 42,125 35,637